Choose the correct answer. Write A, B, C, or D in the dot comments. Let's see how many you get right. Question 1. What is the largest U.S. state by area? Option A, Texas. Option B, California. Option C, Alaska. Option D, Montana. Correct option D, Alaska. Question 2. What is the longest river in the U.S.? Option A, Mississippi River. Option B, Colorado River. Option C, Missouri River. Option D, Rio Grande. Correct option C, Missouri River. Question 3. How many time zones are in the U.S.? Option A, 4. Option B, 5. Option C, 6. Option D, 7. Correct option C, 6. Question 4. Which two states are not connected to the U.S. mainland? Option A, Hawaii and Puerto Rico. Option B, Alaska and Florida. Option C, Alaska and Hawaii. Option D, Guam and Alaska. Correct option C, Alaska and Hawaii. Question 5. What mountain range is on the East Coast? Option A, Rockies. Option B, Appalachians. Option C, Sierra Nevada. Option D, Cascades. Correct option B, Appalachians. Question 6. Which state has the most lakes? Option A, Minnesota. Option B, Michigan. Option C, Florida. Option D, Alaska. Correct option B, Alaska. Question 7. The Grand Canyon is located in which state? Option A, Utah. Option B, Arizona. Option C, Nevada. Option D, Colorado. Correct option B, Arizona. Question 8. Which state is called the Sunshine State? Option A, Texas. Option B, California. Option C, Arizona. Option D, Florida. Correct option D, Florida. Question 9. What is the highest mountain in the U.S.? Option A, Mount Whitney. Option B, Mount Rainier. Option C, Denali. Option D, Pikes Peak. Correct option C, Denali. Question 10. Which of these is not a Great Lake? Option A, Lake Michigan. Option B, Lake Ontario. Option C, Lake Tahoe. Option D, Lake Erie. Correct option C, Lake Tahoe.